What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Today we're going to be checking out the fifine K658 microphone. This microphone is supposed to be good for recording, streaming, podcast, and gaming. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Set this to the side over here. See what you got in the box. Looks like the user guide for the K658. Standard, typical stuff. Again, I suggest reading this, but most people don't. So there we go. Looks like you have a 3/8 to 5/8 adapter, and that's for the boom arm. If you guys do get a boom arm, obviously there's no boom arm included, but I would advise investing in a boom arm that's going to make it so that there's no vibration on the table where your mic would be. It should make it so that the background noise isn't as apparent when you're recording or streaming. So we'll put that to the side. Let's see, it looks like it comes with a shock mount, and this shock mount is going to be for your microphone. This is what the microphone, it looks like, is going to connect to. It's going to go like this. And this is really important, the shock mount, because this also helps with vibration if you have the microphone on like a tripod or anything like that and it's sitting on the table. This shock mount is going to help with vibration and also the background noise. So we'll put this to the side too. Looks like you get the cable USB type A to USB type C, and this is gonna go right into your microphone here, and the other end is going to go into your computer or your laptop, whatever. Put the microphone, save the best for last. And this is the tripod. So it looks like we have the tripod also included in the box. And this is gonna go with the shock mount. You're gonna screw the shock mount into the back, to the bottom of the tripod, just like this. And then your microphone will fit inside like this. So we'll put this all to the side, and then check out the microphone. So this microphone feels really nice in the hand, and it looks like it has an adjuster for the gain. You can turn the volume of the gain up or down, and that should make you sound louder and more clear the more you have the gain adjusted. Also, there's a mute button here, so you just tap this mute button and it should mute you while you're streaming or gaming. Also has RGB lights too. I'm a fan of anything RGB, so can't wait to check this out. And I actually did a demo of the sound quality, so let me know if you guys can tell the difference from the sound quality. Before I was using my headset to stream and record my gaming, and now I'm using the K658 microphone. So let me know if you guys can tell.
So guys, this is just a quick test of the sound quality. Playing a little Biomutant using the Still Atticus Series 2, I believe, headset. So I'm also recording and listening to playback. So I'm wondering if you guys can tell the sound quality. The next demo will be using the fifine K658 microphone. So now guys, I'm using the fifine K658 microphone, and I think the sound quality is drastically different, but you guys let me know and be the judge. I feel like you can hear my voice clear. It's not too much background noise, and with this microphone you can also adjust the gain level and also hit mute right from the microphone. But all in all, so far I like the clarity and the sound quality coming from the fifine K658 microphone. But you guys let me know.
I don't know if you guys could tell, but I could definitely tell a difference between using the K658 microphone and using my headset. But you guys let me know in the comment section below. Appreciate you for watching. Peace.